Hello, how are you? I just finished for you a makeup tutorial about this look. It's very quick because I'm in a hurry, as you can tell from my voice. So please go subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my video. It will start just now. It's very easy, but I love it. I am back. I primed my face with this too. I primed my eyelid with Chanel SURRATT eyelash curler. And I think I will use only two eyeshadow. I will use between Tom Ford and Victoria Beckham. This Tom Ford, it was limited edition in, can't remember when, Emerald Isles, I think. I love this one. Cream eyeshadow. Topper. Okay. Dolce & Gabbana brush. And I will use this as a base. Okay, I'm wearing today something with green, you know. Of course, you can add as much as you can, as much as you want. I don't know why Tom Ford discontinued. Why the things very nice, they discontinued. I have no idea, guys. And I will grab eye pencil as well from Dolce & Gabbana, and I will make the same under here. I will connect. It looks ugly now, but believe me, after you clean, it will be perfect. Believe me. I will add here a little bit. Yeah, I know, I look ugly. I know. Don't have to say it to me. Lovely. But believe me, it will be gorgeous. And then with a fluffy brush, this one, fluffy Tom Ford brush, I will just blend here without anything. See, I didn't put anything here. Just blend this area. Blend like a dream. From inner corner to outer corner, inner corner to outer corner. Okay. I'm using today all Dolce & Gabbana blending brush. Beautiful Victoria Beckham emerald light in the middle here. Can you see me? Okay. We go clean up and I will apply the foundation and stuff and I'll come back to you. Don't go in. I am back with the bronzer first. MAC. I love this one. Thank God it didn't go anywhere. I'll put the link down below for all what I have. Much easier for you to shop. This one, it doesn't get old. Global Glow. It doesn't get old. It doesn't get old. I love it. See? Can't live without it. Yeah, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Powder brush. put the eyeliner as my always, Noir and Tons. This one, I will put it on my eyebrow bone. I don't know why they stopped making those stuff. I don't know. I don't know. I really have no idea. And you know me, I like to connect. I'm sorry guys, I am in a hurry today, but I will try to show you my outfit too. And you know that we are in Ramadan. We are wearing Relevée. It's trendy now. We never did it before, but now it's so trendy. And you know me, I love sometimes to wear stuff different. And it's so pretty too. I want to show it off too. Okay. Yeah. Today it was thunder and rain. Gorgeous. It doesn't happen a lot in Cairo in particular. But in north and south, it's always happen in winter. Tom Ford Badass Mascara. I will put all the products the products I used in the description box. Okay, so please feel free to go and check it and buy it. My Chanel Fall Blush. Smile. Highlighter. Remember, this is still available. I will put all the links down below for you guys. Okay. I love this one. So all the links will be in the description box down. So you just click and buy what you want. Much easy for you. And I decided to have today 170 Romance. Very soft. Let's recap. Face primer. Okay. Eyeshadow primer. Mascara. SISLEY Design Eyebrow. Foundation and concealer. SISLEY. They are so good. SURRATT Eyelash Curler. Chanel Limited Edition 2. Eyes. Tom Ford. And Victoria. MAC. Global Glue. Blush from Chanel, Mauve Glacé, love it too. It's gorgeous. Highlighter and lipstick comments. Okay guys, I will show you now my outfit, but please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch my video and give me huge thumb up, and all the products links will be down below for you guys. Just click and shop, and that's it. I will see you on my next video. Bye.